Eric Linask here in New York City, coming to you from Cloud Expo. Alex, it's been an exciting couple of days here. I get a sense that a lot of people have got a better sense of what the cloud is and what it's doing, but I know there's still a whole bunch of people out there who still have a big question mark around cloud. Is that what you're seeing?
Yeah, there's so many technologies that are on the floor here that it's in a way confusing them about what are the pieces that they actually need to create their own private clouds most often, and so they're coming to us starting to ask questions about which way they want to go, whether they should go with an open source cloud and maybe get away from VMware, and if they do so, which of the options that are out there in the world would be the best ones to choose for today, what's going to win in the future. So we're helping them start to answer those questions, and that's the kind of consulting that we do at Momentum.
So it sounds like it's a little bit less about what the cloud really is about and what you can do with it, and more about how can I actually do it? What do I need to do to get started?
That's true. They are recognizing that there are benefits to having a cloud. Most of the enterprise customers that are coming to us are saying we want to put in place a private cloud. They recognize that there's benefit there. Yeah, now it's about how do we actually make that happen, what technologies need to be in place. What we recommend to them though is they also need to think around the technology. We've seen this time and time again. People will jump into technologies without thinking about all the kind of people and process issues that go around it. And so I think what we're going to see is a lot of people deploy clouds that don't have anything in them because they haven't really educated their people on how to actually use them and put in place the right processes. So that's another area where we've been helping people make sure that the clouds that they deploy actually generate value for their business.
What's the big challenge folks are coming to you with? Is it still security?
Well, security is definitely an issue when they're looking at the public cloud scenario. A lot of our customers are sticking with private clouds for that reason and sort of dabbling in the public cloud, but they're recognizing that they'll get past those barriers. So this is sort of a they want to have a strategy that enables them to work internally for now, while they prepare and address the security hurdles and be in a good position to actually make use of public cloud providers once they've got all their policies and practices in place that can do that securely. Yeah.
What do enterprises have to consider as far as future-proofing their cloud deployments today?
Well, it's a very tricky situation because there's so much in play. One of the things that we're focused on is we've seen Amazon Web Services be the really dominant in the public cloud space, and a lot of companies moving towards the use of the Amazon APIs because there's there's so much momentum around those that it would be very difficult for them to be dislodged as sort of this ad hoc standard of the cloud. So we think going that direction is a good way to future-proof your efforts, at least at the infrastructure level, and then also moving up into the making use of the Amazon APIs at the platform services level as well. So that's a direction we're advising customers to take.
Great, Alex, thank you. From Cloud Expo New York, I'm Eric Linask with TMC. Follow all the activity from Cloud Expo, including all my videos, at my Twitter feed, @elinask.